Hello, my name is Otto, and I will be showing you today how to traverse through the Palo Verde Library District website so you can find your books, materials, movies, etc. a lot easier. Now, the thing to note is that the Palo Verde Library District, their website is PVLD.org, and this would be their homepage. And their homepage shows a lot of information, which is very much important to you. For one, it has an account, so if you have an account, you can set up, and that will come and play into a bit later, but I'll go into that once we get there. These screens are constantly changing, so that would, depending on the time and date, will help you understand what kind of events are occurring, and you can go on from there. Now, I will be showing you two ways to look up information. Both of them are really useful. So for first and foremost, let's say this top right search bar, this is where we want to go. Let's find books, movies, and more. So let's say you have an idea about what you're looking for. Let's say you want to find the book about Harry Potter. So let's say you want to write Harry Potter. Now you can search under everything, but if you want to be a lot more specific, then what you would do is you would click on the search, the drop down menu, and you would click on books. So that means when you search this, it would only look for books all the way through. But if say you want the movies and TVs, then you click on that, and so on and so forth. And that actually makes it a lot easier. But if you are unaware where to start, then everything would be your best bet. In this particular situation, we want the books, so that's where we're going to click. Let me click go. And now it shows you everything that they have by Harry Potter. And it tells you right there if it's available and which location it will be available in. Because libraries have multiple branches, this actually lets you know if there is one. Remember how I said earlier you can sign into your account? Well, the good thing about signing into your account is that if you do sign in, you can place a hold on the book. So then when the book gets there, it'll go. When you go to pick up the book or to place a hold, the hold's already there immediately. So it makes it a lot easier. And on the left side, you see locations. So Peninsula, Burlesque, Medica Cove. These are all branches of the library. Now, if you give me a moment, I will actually show you how to look this up through their catalog. It does say catalog right here, but we're actually not going to use that one. We're going to use the catalog that the library uses when you walk into the library. So give me a moment. Okay, so now that we're here, to actually go to the, for whatever reason or another, they don't actually have it on their website. But when you walk into when you walk to any branch in the Palo Verde Library District, and you go to a computer to search up a book or a movie, as I said earlier, whatever you're looking for, this is what you'll be looking at, the home page. And this is their catalog, very useful. So I'm going to show you how to use this. In this situation, it does give you a keyword, so you can actually look up the title, author, subject, or series. And it all depends how much you know about what you're looking for. And if you don't know, keyword probably the best thing to do. But let's assume that you want to find a book on, once again, Harry Potter, but you're going to be going to a specific branch. You're not going to search everything. You want to go to a specific branch, and you want to know if they have it. So once again, we're going to write Harry Potter. And then instead of search everything, what you do is that you have the different branches here. You have Peninsula Center, Medica Cove, Burlesque, or the Annex, which is one of the 4 branches that Peninsula Palo Verde Library District has. So in this situation, let's assume you're going to go to the Annex, and you want to see if the Annex has anything on Harry Potter. So then you would click Submit, and it would take you to the searches that everything it has. Once again, it tells you if it's in the library, if it's been checked out, and what it is that they have. So these are all the books that the Annex has on Harry Potter. And this just goes on to help you on even greater. So there you go. That's basically an easy